Hello! Hi everyone! Once again, it's me, Myra, and welcome to our channel. So, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are, whatever you do. For now, I'm greeting you a hello and hi. So, mega shout out to all my subscribers, shout out to all of you, and mega shout out to my lovey of my life, which he is on Africa right now. So, thank you, lovey. So, for today, October 8, 2020, and today is my daughter's birthday, 13 years old birthday, and today I decided to make something simple birthday celebration for her. It is around 4 p.m. the celebration. So yeah, I hope Claire will be happy, and this is the day that I make a vlog, so one day she can play with this over and over again. So yeah, I wish all of you, everyone, have a nice day. So stay tuned and happy watching. Thank you.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much.
So ayan, napakaingay po sa labas, but don't mind it. So dito ko po ilalagay yung balloons behind my back. Ayan, dyan siya ilalagay. So yeah. For now, I'm going to be busy and see you later.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because
So ayan everyone, I'm still busy with my sister na palubuhin itong balon na to. Ito. Ganito po siya. Ito po yung usong-usong ngayon na balon na parang may mga, ano tawag dito, Bet? Pinta-pinta. Tapos, dye balloons. Tapos yung finished product niya, ganito po siya. Diba ang ganda? Ayan. May dilaw, may pagkonting pagkabdo. So yeah. Busy muna. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay.
So finally, this is our little decoration for Claire's birthday. So yeah, me and my sister, we help each other to make this. Very simple, but I'm sure that Claire will love this. Ayan. Maliit lang kasi yung tinitirahan namin, kaya yan, ganyan po muna yung kaya naming i-design as much we can. So, ang cute. Tapos mamaya, maglalagay na lang ng lamesa dito sa baba. So, yeah. So, finally, everyone, this is how it looks like. As you can see behind me, that's the simple decoration that me and my sister, we help each other to make this simple decoration. So, yeah. And now, time to cooking!
Do you wanna know?
So everyone, today is good afternoon already. It's around 3:30. Pero hindi pa po kami tapos mag-prepare ng kapatid ko. So, konti lang ang handa, pero talagang matrabaho, mabusisi. Kaya ayun, I think siguro mga 4:30 tapos na rin kami magluto. So, nagawa ko na rin ang burger, nagawa na namin yung sandwich, yung biko, yung pancit, yung fried chicken. So, ang lulutuin na lang ay yung french fries. And then, ano ko na siya, ipapack. And mamaya-maya, ano na, ready to assemble on the table. So, kakaligo ko na lang din para fresh. So, yeah. Ayan yung status ng ano natin. Napaka-simple lang, pero ang cute. Diba? So, see you later again. Busy muna. Ito po yung simpleng pagkain natin. We have biko. Yung biko, pinag-arrange ko na siya. Yung homemade hamburger natin. Napaka-simple lang. Tapos yung sandwich. Hi, Dada! Pasok! And then, we have pancit with fried chicken. Ayan. Ano ko na siya. Binalot ko na sa ganitong pack. Para ano. Para mabilis nilang kakainin. So, simple lang. And then, ito yung sauce. So, ang mangyayari, tatakpan ko muna to. And then, mamaya, kasi maliit lang yung lamesa, ilalagay ko yung cake and then yung potato fries. So, mayroon tayong special guest. Hello! Say happy birthday to Ate Claire.
Happy birthday, Ate Claire.
Bait naman. Thank you.
Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts cannot lie, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Isa pa. Make a wish, Ate Claire. Yay! Palakpakan! I wish you all the best, Ate Claire. Ayan. Kain na na! simple birthday celebration dinner ni Claire. So, which is super simple lang po no kainan. Burger, french fries, biko, pancit, and tinapay, kanin, and fried chicken lang po. Yung pinagluto ko for Claire and para sa kanyang mga beloved friends. So, lahat sila masaya, kumain ng maayos, which is, yun ang pinaka-importante, yung lahat sila ay busog at masaya. Habang nanonood sila ng cartoons, kumakain sila at nagtatawanan. So, I'm so happy that Claire also is very happy. She appreciates everything that I did and Daddy tell her. So, yeah. Thank you everyone sa lahat na nag-attend. And thank you so much everyone for watching. And Claire, happy 13th birthday. I wish you are happy and please, lumaki kang mabait, may takot sa Diyos at mag-aral ka ng mabuti. So, until next year, more birthday to come and always remember that Mommy and we all love you. So, yeah. Happy birthday and God bless you. Bye-bye! For now, bye-bye everyone. And see you on my next vlog. Shout out sa'yo, Dada!